Hey everybody, welcome back to Flat Red FPV. I don't normally do unboxings, but this one is from FPVLUX, so stay tuned. Okay, like I said, I don't normally do unboxings or anything like that, but a few months ago I did start with FPVLUX, which is pretty cool. This was last month's shirt. So, and there were some other really cool things in there. But so the package this month came, and it's not in its normal packaging, right? So this is what came for me, and I thought it would be really cool. I needed to do an unboxing with you guys to see exactly what's in here, because it's not the normal bag with the t-shirt and the other good stuff. So we're gonna get this opened up. We're gonna see what's in it. So my wife called me at work and said that I got a package at the house. So of course, after explaining in great detail that no, I did not order something else. I got home and I saw that on there, FPVLUX. Got really excited with it because this isn't the normal packaging. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, hey. Well, this is what I had expected right here. This is the bag that it normally comes in. Again, last month was the black one from Team Black Sheep. This is from Pyrodrone. So this is pretty cool. We're going to open this up in just a couple seconds, see what's in it. But let's find out what else came in this box. That is really cool. What is this? Erasers. Tell you what, let's get some stuff out of the way. All right. What is this thing? Is this like a table or a seat or something? Oh, it is, isn't it? Look at that. We're gonna have to put this together here in a couple seconds and see what it looks like. As for the, here, we'll get to this in just a couple seconds. Let's finish opening up what's in our orange bag, okay? I'm excited about this. That is really cool, and this must be just one of those random giveaway kind of things. I don't know FPVLUX, you know, I'm not on their list of people that get good things or anything like that, so this is really just a great coincidence. All right, so let's see what's in the bag. Oh, got the shirt. Oh, that's cool. That is a nice one. That'll go good with it. I like that. That's really cool. Yeah. Y'all see that on there real good? Excellent. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, solder. Fantastic. You never have too much of that, so that's good. Cool keychain. Nice. And what? Is that a neck strap? Very cool. Very nice. That's good stuff. That is really cool. The clasp on there. Rah, 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 rah. That is really nice. That is great. And then, let's see, we've got some codes for Pyrodrone. And then we've got the sticker pack. And again, that is super cool. FPVLUX really outdid themselves this time. I think that's really neat. That's really cool. All right. That is really neat. That shirt is cool. We're going to have to wear that one soon on one of the next videos. That would be really good. I see anything else in the bag? I do not. Awesome. Okay. We're going to get this thing put together and we'll see what this is. We're going to put on our new shirt and let's go flying. Let's see what it does. Oh, hey, I missed something too that was in there. This was in the box. So it's another cool keychain on there. That'd be great. You can hang these. These are great for my zipper pulls on my backpacks and things like that as well too. And I've got a couple attached to my battery checkers, that kind of thing. It was really cool. Excellent. All right, let's get this together. Okay, so this might be the coolest FPV chair ever, right? Oh yeah. Looking good. Oh, got pockets on the side. All my battery chargers, my drink, whatever I'd like. Nice as swivels. By the way, that was last month as well too. That came with everybody's though. But the chair for this month, that was me. All mine because I'm special. Got the new shirt. Looking good. All right. Hey, let's go fly something. Dup, dup, dup. So there you have it. I want to thank FPVLUX for the cool stuff that they send out. It's great packages every month. I want to thank Pyro Drone for the really cool chair and the sponsoring this month. I think it's great. And thanks for sending all the great stuff, FPV. And again, the cool shirt, neck strap, all cool stuff, the keychains and all the other stuff. So every month they've got this great thing. So if you're not subscribed, you're missing out. I'm telling you. All right, that's it. Again, thanks for watching. Join me back here again for Flat Rate FPV. Thanks.